Hey, how you doing guys? It's Adam Darstein from Adam's Garage. Today we are changing the lights for this car, the Honda Civic 2015, and hope you guys going to like it. And don't forget to share the video to your friends. And if you want to change the high beam and the low beam for these cars, it sometimes be annoyed because it's actually you have to take out the bumper if you have custom headlights like these, the ones that I got over here. It's likely different than the original ones, and yeah, so we might need to take off the front bumper to be able to change the beams for it, and I hope we won't do that. I'm gonna try to figure it out uh, without taking off the bumpers, because that's gonna take a lot of time from me, especially because I need to take out the tires for it and to be able to take out the front bumper. But we will try our best to not take it out, and I hope you guys going to like it, and let's begin. So here we go. These the Temu high beam, low beam, H7, H1, and these what we're gonna use. And don't forget actually to comment if it's worth it to buy or not, and I hope it's gonna work actually and be good and better than the brown one, or the orange one that this car have. So let's check it out. So this is the H1, weird say 0 H1, and it actually seems like not bad quality, but I actually hope it will work, because yeah, I need lights. My light, it's not that good, and I can't actually see when I'm driving at night, so we need these lights. So these the low beam for the car, and actually sorry for this, but we're gonna change everything in the interior too. As you can see over here, we might actually in the future get a new screen that you can see your phone here. This is the original one, and it's not bad, but I don't like it actually, because I like to see my phone over here. And change these, everything for it, make it better, make it like what we wanted. And actually might in the future I'm gonna get a projects. I will get another car too, so we're gonna modify it and make it really good. So don't forget guys to subscribe for this channel to be able to see all the new videos that I will post. And yeah, hope you guys like everything that I do. So this is the high beam we have. It seems a good quality, it's not really bad. I hope it's gonna work. So yeah, let's try to first put it on without taking out the bumper, and if we could not, we had to take it out. And you guys gonna see everything that I'm gonna do. Hope you're going to like it. So yep, here we go. That's the start. It's quite hard, because you can see I have to reach for this thing, and also another thing over here, so I have to take out the washer water from here. So it's kind of annoying. So it's way easier for me if I take out the bumper actually, but I'm gonna try anyways. I'm gonna try without taking out the bumper. So first thing you have to do, you cut this over here, put over there, and yeah, after cutting this, you should be able to take out the low beam actually. I don't know, let's try. It seems like easy to take it out, but hard to put it back in. Yeah, I think I'm taking the bumper off. And don't forget, guys, to comment and tell me if I did anything wrong, because I'm still new for this stuff. We're gonna learn. Holy why it's burned over here? Oh my gosh, seems like it's burned. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out too. Yeah, that's bad. That's not good at all if it got burned. I don't know from what actually. If you guys know from what it got burned over here, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna read all the comments then and make sure everything's gonna be good. Alright guys, let's take out the front bumper, take out everything in the front, and begin our videos. So here we go, guys. Move the tire, put it under the car just in case if I fall, because that's not really strong. So right now, what we're going to do is to remove this over here, this thing over here, to be able to go the screw. I don't know what we're going to do now. Remove all the clips that I have over here, there, all the clips under the car, to be able to remove the front bumper. And yeah, and then I'll come over here to this side of the car, do the same thing that I did over there. Remove the tire to be able to remove the screws from here and like the nuts over there and these clips, and they should come out. I will leave the top of the bumper for the last because it's the easiest. So yeah, let me start removing the clips and everything, and I actually guys going to show you guys with all that. So let's just start.
I've come too far to doubt him now.
No turning back,
I've seen his hand, I've made my vow.
no turning back,
Through every storm, through every test, I found my peace, I found my rest. So I lift my voice and make it plain, I'll never walk that old road again. No turning back, I'm moving on. The cross before me, the past is gone. I made my choice, I found my track. By the grace of God, no turning back, no turning back, no turning back. I gave him all he.
So yeah guys, I removed all the clips from under the car. Everything put it over here. So just these left clips over here. It's easy to remove. And after these, we're going to remove the bumper and then start putting the lights. Yeah, after putting the lights, you have to remove. There's two over this. I remember because I removed it last time. And here I think there's three, and there's one under it. And it's really annoying and hard to get, but we will figure it out. Let me get back to you guys after I remove the bumper, put it over there, and then everything going to be perfect. So yeah, here we are. Remove the front bumper, as you guys can see, and now we need to get, I think, 10 for these, yeah, and to be able to remove the headlight. So I think there's two. There's one over here, and the other one is over here. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go, here. And the other headlight, there's one over here, one over here, and this one. So one over here, and also should be another one under it, but I don't think you guys can see it because the camera on my chest, it's under this over there. It needs a spacer to be able to get to it, like this one will be perfect for it. So let's start removing the headlights now.
I've come too far to doubt him now.
No turning back,
I've seen his hand, I've made my vow.
no turning back,
Through every storm, through every test, I found my peace, I found my rest. So I lift my voice and make it plain, I'll never walk that old road again. No turning back, I'm moving on. The cross before me, the past is gone. I made my choice, I found my track. By the grace of God, no turning back, no turning back, no turning back. I gave him all. I've come too far to doubt him now.
no turning back,
I've seen his hand, I've made my vow.
no turning back,
Through every storm, through every test, I found my peace, I found my.
Hey, how you doing, guys? Took them out finally, and they're both over here. So now I'm gonna remove the beams and put the new ones. I don't know what's the reason to make it be like this, but I hope it's nothing bad. And yeah, let me get the new ones that I got from Temu and put it back, put everything back to where it was. Make sure first that it's working. Yeah, so be right back. Sorry guys for the wind. So let me start taking out these beams. Here's the first one. These are the high beams. Let me show you the difference between the high beams, the old ones, and the new ones. And these are the new ones. You can see it's a little different. And let's put them back together. So that goes in here. It's slightly different, and I hope these, the ones that I got, will work. Because if it didn't work, that's actually bad, kinda. So first one, here we go. It's not moving, it's not going anywhere. Low beam. And here's the old low beam, and the new one, and here's the old one. Let's put them back. So let me show you guys, if you guys wanna remove them, and it's the first time for you guys, so you need to push this in and take it to the left, move it out, and this will come right off. That's a little weird, so it might be that's why. Yep, that's why it got burned. It's going to the wrong way, see? And it's in, like not coming out. wasn't right in, and look, it's not even the same. So new high beam should go right in. Let's make sure that it goes to the right way. So like this, as you can see, push, and it's in. Don't scratch it. Low beam, technically it's the same thing. You push and it's working. When it gets night, it's the best way to take pictures of it, and I'll show you the before and the after when this video is done, like in the end of the video. So I need now to put everything back and make sure everything's working. Unfortunately, I forgot to put the rubber over here, rubber, whatever it calls this. So I need to put it back right here. And after I put the lights, I'm gonna put everything back. I'm not gonna record by that time because it takes a lot of time, and the video gonna be like for a whole hour or more. So put this on. I will show you guys when I put that on, and then you would take a video of before and after.
I've come too far to doubt him now.
No turning back,
I've seen his hand, I've made my vow.
no turning back,
Through every storm, through every test, I found my peace, I found my rest. So I lift my voice and make it plain, I'll never walk that old road again. No turning